A $115 million philanthropic investment is coming to ASU, the largest in university history, all going towards building a school of conservation futures, with the main focus how conservation is connected to all aspects of life and how we can help.
But we're also looking at what does it mean in terms of operational issues, of economic issues, of political issues, of knowledge systems. Which knowledge systems do we have to bring together to really capture what is happening?
The investment is funded by the Rob Walton Foundation. Walton is a philanthropist, conservationist, and former chairman of Walmart. Visiting a friend on a trip to South Africa 25 years ago is what opened Walton's eyes to conservation and making it a priority for our planet.
So Rob is somebody who, from his childhood, had experiences in nature. He often tells the story that his family went to national parks. He experienced the beauty of it. He drew energy out of it. And he saw that there is a threat to these environments. That, I think, was a big part that ignited his passion for it, but also then his determination to be an actor in helping preserving that.
The launch of the school will aid the next generation of conservation leaders, offering training programs and certificates for high school students, corporate executives, and more to drive conservation efforts in their communities and internationally, even partnering with employers to help students land jobs.
Some of the students who are entering our program might live at the end of the century. We are often not thinking that long. So from that perspective, really important to give them a voice, give them decision power, and enable them, show them where their action space is.
Officials say Walton's gift is a step towards giving conservation activists a voice and increasing the tools to make decisions that are relevant for their future, working together to build and sustain a healthy planet. For Fox 10 News, I'm Dominique Newland.